Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a new 2021 Swift that's turned up to us in the Sprite Major 6 TD 2021 model. So here is a good look at this fantastically well-spec'd single axle family caravan with rear fixed bunks, a rear side dinette and a front sofa area that also converts into a double bed. So a wonderfully well-spec'd 6 berth caravan. You've got a generous sized front locker box at the front there, space for two 6 kg gas bottles, light items like your step, your electric hookup cable and steady winder, but being really cautious and conscious of your nose weight. As we come down the side of the caravan, you've got that wonderful chrome Sprite logo and the logo stretching all the way down to the back of the caravan. So stepping inside the caravan, the first thing that you notice is, as mentioned earlier, these very generous sized two fixed bunks at the rear of the caravan. You've got the new Arale Zen wood grain fabrics, wood locker effect, previously white in the previous years for the Sprite range, really offsetting well against this wonderful two-tone fabric scheme. So this rear section also converts up into bunks with this fixings located at the back there, or can transfer and convert into a slightly odd-shaped single bed. You've got the Swift command panel located above the habitation door with built-in mobile capability. You can download the Swift command app, linking your caravan via either GPRS or Bluetooth whilst in it. Digital DAB radio built into it, and also a built-in tracker controllable via the Swift command app. The Truma blown air heating system is what you're benefiting from in this particular caravan. So in the centre of the caravan, you've got a very generous sized bathroom area. So individual shower cubicle. Quality finish on the sink with storage underneath and storage located above the Thetford toilet with a small Hecky light in the bathroom area and lighting throughout. On the oven, we've got 3 gas hob burners, combination oven and grill with pan storage located underneath. We've got the stainless steel sink and a nice large kitchen surface with work surface extension. You've got a generous sized under counter fridge and an easy usable height microwave. As we move towards the front, to give you a first look at the fabric scheme, so keeping the same fabric scheme they put in the 2020 Sprites to the 2021. So that two-tone, really durable, high quality finish and effect. A further look at that new wood grain that you see on the locker doors. The panoramic sunroof at the front, now standard. And again, plenty of storage space located throughout this caravan. Generous size Hecky light again, letting a huge amount of light into this caravan, creating a generous family living space at the front. On the front here, you've got a television point, aerial point, USB ports, and also a 240 volt socket. Short pull-out table with storage underneath and also underneath the cupboard there, and drop downs to underneath each of the sofas. Got a generous sized wardrobe located at the front here with hanging rail, the multi-direction aerial and the Vision Plus box with the freestanding table tucked away here for the front, a shelf and also further storage located underneath, and a vanity mirror located in the centre of the caravan. So a fantastically well-spec'd family caravan, single axle, relatively lightweight. So if you've got any queries or questions about the Sprite Major 6 TD 2021, please feel free to call us. We look forward to hearing from you and hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.